Mailchimp is an incredibly powerful tool for any business to get your information out to your mailing list. And today, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to set it up and send out your first email in under 8 minutes. Let's jump in. All right, step number 1 is to create a Mailchimp account. So all you want to do is head to Mailchimp.com. So when you land on this page, you want to go over to the pricing section and you'll scroll down. You'll see several different payment options. There is a free option, which has a lot of limitations depending on how big your mailing list is going to be and how many emails you want to send out. But it's certainly a way that you could get started. But there's also free trials that are usually available that you can click on as well. So you just want to sign up and enter your information. The key here is you do want to use a real business email address. You don't want to use like a generic Gmail or your personal account because a lot of times those will end up in a spam folder. So just fill out this information as it asks for it. Sign up, verify your email. Once your email is verified, it's just going to ask you for some additional information. Just fill out the next few screens. And once you've completed the information about your business, it's going to take you to the dashboard here. And I want to mention too, if you're just getting started with Mailchimp, you're probably also going to want to make sure that your newsletter is set up correctly from the start. And to help you do that, I have a free newsletter launch template, and it includes a worksheet to set up your foundation, a technical setup checklist, and copy and paste email templates that ensure you launch your newsletter the right way from the beginning. Now to get it, all you have to do is click the link in the description and it's all yours, ready to use. Step number 2 is to add the email recipients to your mailing list. Now, there's a couple of options to do that. If you already have some emails collected and in a list, you can import those here by adding the contacts. Or if you're starting from complete scratch, you can create a sign-up form or a landing page to collect those emails. So let's do that. We're going to head over to the side panel where it says Audiences. Click on that. Over on the side panel, we're going to click on Forms, Other Forms, and Sign Up Landing Page. Create landing page. Add a name, continue to builder. Select a template, we'll pick the lead generation, accept, and then customize this with your own information. Add your logo up here, click on each box to update the information, and then down here where they actually add their information, you want to click on that box and select if you just want their email address or if you want their first name or any other information that you want. Save and close. Customize as much of the information as you like in here. And we're going to click down here to save and close. Add your page title, preview it, customize the URL if you have some of the paid accounts, and click publish. All right, now you have a landing page that's going out, collecting emails for you. You can share that on all your social media accounts to get people to sign up for your newsletter. And then step number 3 is to create your first newsletter. So we're going to head over to the left panel, click on campaigns, email template, choose the template you like. I'm just going to pick this. Create email from the simple text. Click on who you want this to be sent to. Right now we don't have any contacts in here, but again, you could import that from your contacts or select the audience that your landing page is now adding lists to. Select where you want that from, which is your sign-in email. Click a subject. Click on the subject line to add a compelling subject line. Click save, and then edit the design. And again, from here, you just add in all the information that you want. You can add your logo up here, customize the text, add a button to visit your website, add any additional information that you want. You could add other blocks, more text, more pictures, whatever you want to this first email. And once you're done, you can click on preview to see what this email looks like in the desktop and on the mobile device. And if you have a paid account, you can even look at a preview of what it looks like in different email boxes, whether that's Gmail or Outlook or some of the other ones. Once you like the way that looks, you just close this out, click on Save and Exit. And before we send this out, we need to go on to step number 4, which is authenticate your domain. So we're going to click on Finish Later. So to do that, we're just going to head up to your profile up here, Account and Billing, then click on Domains. And then here you'll see your web address. Mine has already been authenticated, but if it isn't authenticated yet, you just click on that button and it'll walk you through the steps to authenticate that. And basically that's giving Mailchimp permission to send out emails on your behalf. Once that authentication process is complete, we're going to go back to our campaigns. And step number 5 is to send your newsletter. So we're going to click on that newsletter again and click on Send. Of course, in my example, I don't have any emails yet, so there's nobody to send it to, but that will send out for you. And then step number 6 is to come back and look at the results. So in the analytics section here, you'll see the open rate, you'll see the unsubscribe rate, you'll see how many people click through, and you can monitor how the progress of your email is going. And with that, you have now set up your Mailchimp account and sent out your first email. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.